Hi friends, welcome to my 100-minute tutorial challenge on photography. Uh, in my last video I mentioned about prime lenses as well as zoom lenses. Someone asked me a question that what does it mean? So prime lens is nothing, it's a fixed lens. You can't zoom, you can't bring any object near or you can't push it back, it remains fixed. And while on the zoom lens what happens is this is like a 70-200 lens, you can zoom inside, come nearer, bring your camera nearer, as well as take it back. Now, while yes, that 70-200 is a very good lens, my way of looking at it is that if you buy a prime lens, it's much more effective, much more cheaper, and you can get amazing results out of this. I have 3 prime lenses versus 1 zoom lens, and believe me, all those 3 are very effective. The only important aspect here is that obviously you keep on changing lenses, that's the only challenge, but the quality you get is really amazing. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.